Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the recall that Honda has just announced for Honda CB300F. Yes, you heard me right. CB300F has been recalled from Honda due to a manufacturing defect that is related to the speedo sensors. So there is something manufacturing defects they found out in the speedo sensors molding that results in the water passage through them and resulting in malfunctioning of the speedo sensor and the speedometers, ABS malfunction, etc. etc. And in worst case scenarios, this can also lead to braking problem. So you don't want that, right? So my friend Pratik here reached me out on Instagram explaining how he was suffering with some braking issues and speedometer malfunctionings and repeated visit to the service center and nobody giving attention to the problem. So he mailed to Honda and he connected to me. I mailed to Honda as well. So in the meanwhile, Honda released this one. Like Honda has previously recalled Honda CB300R, if you don't know about it. Right side crankcase basically causing some problems so that the engine oil is leaking. So they recalled the 300R to replace the entire crankcase. So yeah, it's time for CB300F. If you have not registered already, I will be putting a link in the description. Go there, check with your frame number. The frame number is your vehicle identification number, that is VIN number. Put that and check if you are eligible for this, and do call your nearest BigWing showroom and do book an appointment and visit them as soon as possible, because this will be applicable to whether your bike is within warranty or without warranty. Doesn't matter. This is a rollback, this is a callback from Honda, so you get the replacement at free of cost. Just call your nearest BigWing showroom and ask them for an appointment. Even if you don't have any problem related to ABS, I'll suggest you to replace them as soon as possible, because it's a manufacturing defect, it's a molding related defect, so water will seep in the rainy season if it's not already. So yeah guys, do comment down your experience with BigWing in the comment section right below. So the link to the Instagram and Facebook is given in the description. If you want any kind of help, do connect with me. We're building a community. We are soon going to launch a WhatsApp group where we'll connect to each other and share everything there. So yeah guys, this is a just quick and short video to just let you know about the announcement, and if you found this video helpful, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you.